At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an Airbnb business can be exciting and lucrative, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Research the local market to understand demand, competition, and pricing. Determine your target audience, e.g., tourists, business travelers, families. Set clear goals and create a business plan outlining your strategy, budget, and marketing approach. 2. Legal and regulatory considerations. Check local zoning laws, regulations, and homeowners association rules regarding short-term rentals. Obtain any necessary permits or licenses required for operating a short-term rental business in your area. Review tax implications and consider consulting with a tax professional. 3. Property selection. Choose a property with desirable features for guests, such as a good location, amenities, and attractive interior design. Consider the initial investment, potential rental income, and maintenance costs. Evaluate the property's suitability for short-term rentals, including safety and security considerations. 4. Prepare your property. Furnish and decorate the property to appeal to your target audience. Ensure the property is clean, well-maintained, and equipped with necessary amenities, e.g., Wi-Fi, kitchen appliances, toiletries. Take high-quality photos of the property for your Airbnb listing. 5. Create an Airbnb listing. Sign up as a host on Airbnb and create a compelling listing for your property. Write a detailed description highlighting the property's features, amenities, and nearby attractions. Set competitive pricing based on market research and seasonality. 6. Marketing and promotion. Utilize Airbnb's built-in marketing tools, such as promotions and discounts, to attract guests. Leverage social media, online travel forums, and local networks to promote your listing. Consider investing in professional photography or virtual tours to showcase your property. 7. Guest communication and service. Respond promptly to guest inquiries and messages to provide excellent customer service. Set clear expectations for guests regarding check-in procedures, house rules, and amenities. Collect feedback from guests to identify areas for improvement and enhance the guest experience. 8. Manage bookings and finances. Keep track of bookings, reservations, and guest payments using Airbnb's platform or a property management system. Monitor expenses, including maintenance, cleaning, and utilities, to ensure profitability. Consider setting aside funds for repairs, upgrades, and emergencies. 9. Guest experience and reviews. Strive to provide a memorable and positive experience for guests to encourage positive reviews and repeat bookings. Address any issues or concerns raised by guests promptly and professionally. Maintain a high standard of cleanliness and hospitality to build a strong reputation on Airbnb. 10. Continuous improvement. Stay updated on industry trends, customer preferences, and Airbnb policies to adapt and improve your business. Experiment with different pricing strategies, amenities, and guest experiences to maximize profitability and guest satisfaction. Starting an Airbnb business requires dedication, attention to detail, and a commitment to providing excellent service to your guests. By following these steps and continuously refining your approach, you can build a successful and profitable short-term rental business. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.